Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4 and that we'll see exercise 1.3. So here this is actually a simple exercise. So now see here they said find the following products. Now so you know 8 sevens are 56 but this is a negative sign over here so it will be negative 56. Same here 12 fives are 60 but this is negative so negative 60. 32 nines are that is going to be 288. So again here negative. This is going to be 200. Again here negative. So for this one there are three numbers. So what will you do? First you will multiply this into this and then whatever the answer you get you will multiply by this one. So that is going to be 1360. But now you can see a negative sign over here. Now here this into this one, this 32 into 2 is 64. So this is multiplication. So negative and negative becomes positive. Hope this is clear. When you added that negative and negative, now suppose you're adding -4 -2. So this you have to add here and you write the negative sign. But when you're multiplying, this negative and negative becomes positive. And here there is nothing, no sign means that means here is multiplication. Here they say confused. This is multiplication over here, and this here they just put the bracket, but there is a multiplication sign. Whenever there are two brackets, that means there is a multiplication sign in between. So that is going to be 64. Again, this into this, that's 100, 100 into 3 is 300, and this negative sign. Now see here, there are three negative signs. So whenever there are odd number of, so in odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Wherever there are negative, so these are 3. 3 means that's an odd number. So that is always going to be negative. If there are 5 negative signs also, that is going to be negative. So you have to just multiply this, you write negative sign and you multiply this one. So that is going to be negative 360. Again here negative becomes positive and you have to just multiply this 3. So that is going to be 280. Here you can see there are 3 negative signs. So that is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. So that is going to be negative. And just you have to multiply this one. So be careful with these signs. Negative becomes positive. And you have to multiply this one. So that is going to be 1080. Again here negative and negative is going to be positive. And you multiply this and this one. That is going to be 750. So now here they said the filling the blanks. So now you can see 1, 2, and 3. Again, here 3 negatives and 3 is an odd number. So that is going to be negative, and that you have to multiply this one. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 negative sign means 4 is an even number. So wherever even means that is going to be positive. So just multiply these numbers. So that is going to be 1280. Now here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 means that is again an even number. Even number means that is going to be a positive one. So just remember whenever there is even numbers, that is going to be positive, and odd is going to be odd numbers, it's going to be negative. So you have to keep on multiplying this. So that is going to be 2160. See now again here this is a power. So wherever again here you see a even number. So here is -1 and here you see an even number. So that is always going to be positive. If it was like this, suppose this is an odd number. So this answer would have been -1. Hope this is also clear to you. Now see here you can see this is 15. 15 is an odd number. So it is going to be -1 and not +1. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply together? As I told you here, there are 5 negative integers and 1 positive integer. So positive, whatever there are any numbers, whether it is odd or even number, now this is even, so positive is going to be positive. These are the even numbers, so that is going to be positive. So you don't have to think about this one. Only you have to think about 5 negative integers means 5 is an odd number, so that is going to be negative. So negative into this one positive means negative into positive, because this set product here is always going to be negative. Or if it is positive into negative, that is also going to be negative. So why? Suppose we are writing a minus 5 into 3, that is also going to be minus 15. Or if we write just 5 into minus 3, so that is also going to be minus 15. So this is going to be negative. Now here there are 10 negative integers. 10 negative integers, 10 is an even number, sorry. So this is always going to be positive. Even negative, this one, that is always going to be positive. And 3 positive integers, or 3 positive is going to be positive. So positive into positive, that is going to be positive. Hope this part is clear. Evaluate the following. Again here the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is an even number. So you have to just multiply it. That will be 144. 1, 2, 3. So that is this odd number. So that is going to be negative. And here you have to just multiply this one. Here negative how many? 1 and 2. That is an even number. So that is going to be positive. Just multiply the numbers. That will be 480. Again here 2 means that is an even number. So that is going to be positive. Just multiply these numbers. So that is going to be 48. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Thank you.